Hey anywhere CrossFitters, Célio Tai Silva with Michael Petro coming to you from One Body Pain and Performance Solutions with an amazing and unmissable seminar on self-care and performance. So we're going to be teaching you guys the skills on how to resolve pain issues, mobility issues, really anything preventing you from optimizing your performance, whether it be in Olympic weightlifting or gymnastics-based movements.
So in this unmissable seminar, we're going to address quite a few things. One of the most important parts we want to address is our bodies in space, i.e. how to assess ourselves and be able to gather that information, know where our restrictions are at, and then bake in practical solutions that we can actually utilize to where we can go to the next level. We can minimize the restrictions and perform at the highest possible level. So a lot of tools, a lot of techniques, a lot of fun. Looking forward to it.
Yes, we're really excited. Come see us that day, become a better CrossFitter, and feel better.
See you soon.